Hey guys, it's Saul Wells Lakeland here, and I'm here to talk about Jonathan Montoya and his new course that he's created. It's a 3-day business breakthrough challenge, and that's exactly what it is, a challenge to get you started with your online business today. Now, I've done it, and that's why I want to talk about it. If you've seen any of my TikToks or anything else that I've done, I really highly rate this program in this course, especially if you're just getting started with your online business and you don't quite know what to do or where to go, or even if you have started and you're still trying to make your first couple $100, $1,000 online. Jonathan Montoya breaks it down really simply for you. And he doesn't just give you the hypotheticals. He doesn't just give you the theory, the airy fairy stuff that a lot of people do online these days. He breaks it down. He does it over the shoulder, shows you exactly step by step what to do. Now I've got you on the first page here where it's showing you, this is his sales page basically, and he's showing you what he's going to do. I'm going to skip over this part. Let's get into it properly. But before I go into it, I want to talk to you about some awesome bonuses that I'm going to show you that if you sign up now, I don't know if it's going to be available later, but right now he has some awesome bonuses and I'll show you those as we go through. But down here, he has them listed. Let's look, there a couple bonuses, funnel, video scripts, top keywords. I'm going to tell you why those are important in a minute. Especially if you're just getting started. It's going to give you that extra kickstart that you need. Instead of having to create everything yourself, he's got it created for you, so you don't have to do anything. So I'm going to get into it right now. I'm going to show you exactly what we're doing. So if we go into Freedom Breakthrough, once you sign up, you land on this page. On the side here, there's 3 days, day 1, day 2, day 3. And then it gives you the opportunity to become an affiliate for this program itself. And if there's anything you do, definitely get on that. I've earned commissions. There's so many other people that have earned commissions. It is insane. Now, once you get in, you do day 1, and he talks to you about how you can implement his three-step system, how you can make commissions, what's the number one rule that you have to remember, things like that, setting the goals, setting the mindset and the time frame of what you want to achieve and how you're going to achieve it. And then in day 2, he goes in again. Oh, sorry, I should show you before I move on. He's got a workbook here, and he's got some homework for his Facebook group. Now, the Facebook group, can I say, invaluable. If you do anything, get onto his Facebook group. He is so active. He's always commenting, always posting. In fact, right now we're doing a 10-day TikTok challenge, and he is the best online affiliate marketing mentor, online business mentor that I have ever seen. He really engages with you, and there's not many people that have a massive community that they continue to engage with you. Usually they hire some people to do it, or they automate a few things, but when it comes to helping you out and engaging and getting you involved and really celebrating your successes, he's right there at the forefront. So if you do anything, jump into his Facebook group. I'm going to show you the workbook, actually. Sorry, it's a bit all over the place, but I just want to really show you what he's giving you here. So here's the workbook. Now, Freedom Breakthrough 3-day challenge workbook. As I said, your affiliate business goals on day 1. Crystal clear. What do you want to achieve and how you're going to do it? How to get your traffic. What's the number one rule that you want to look at? It goes into day 2. So here's day 2. It's going to look at finding your offer, building your funnel. You're going to get your email list sorted. You're going to build out your sequence for your follow-up. All of that in day 2, all step by step. And you're going to give you the tools that you need to get to. Obviously, they're not free because you're starting a business. What business is free? But he gives you all the tools there. So that's day 2. That is action-packed day 2. So many things right there. Choosing a product, where to find your product, choosing the right page for you to build out your funnel. You know, how you get them from interest, from seeing your advert, seeing your YouTube video, seeing your TikTok video, how you get them from there through your funnel to actually purchasing the product that you are promoting. And it helps, honestly, it helps if you are really enthusiastic about what you're promoting. So he's going to go through all of that, and then he's also going to show you how to build your follow-up process, what you need to do to build an email list and how to keep them engaged. And he's going to show you over the shoulder, step by step. He's going to show you exactly what you need to do. Now, day 2 is a big day. So follow through, even if it takes you 1 or 2 days, follow through with every step. Don't just watch him and then think you'll do it later. Do it with him as he's building the funnel, as he's creating his list. Do it with him step by step. Go in, create your funnel, create your list, create the automation of things that you're going to put in for the follow-up. Get your products sorted, get everything together on that day. That's what you're going to want to do. And even here, look, you can see he's got a couple bonuses for you. He's got a couple of places for you to go, a couple of websites for you to try, all of that. So I'm not going to tell you exactly what he's going to tell you or how he's going to do it. You have to get into course to know exactly how to do it. Now, day 3 is also invaluable, totally worth it. Just even because I didn't even tell you how much it costs. It costs $7. Now, $7, I spend more going out to lunch every day or getting some breakfast, or just $7 is nothing. But this day 3 is worth every penny, and I'll tell you why. Because he's going to tell you how to get traffic, how to drive them to your offer. Now, that's the one thing. I've been doing this for a long time. I've done a few different things online, and I've tried for over a year, 2 years now to get my business off the ground. And if there was one thing that I can say that I definitely struggled with at the start, is getting traffic, real traffic. And he's going to show you how to do it. He's going to teach you the step-by-step process, and he's going to tell you how to create a long-term sustainable business, not just one that is quick and easy and you get 1 or 2 sales here and then you never contact your list again, or your traffic isn't sustainable, or you're spending too much on your traffic. He's going to teach you exactly the proven system of getting your traffic, the best ways of doing it. He's going to teach it in this module. This module is an hour long, so it's cram-packed with some really, really good stuff. Again, you get your workbook. After you've done this module, you can have the opportunity to become a partner with Jonathan Montoya. Now, if you've heard anything about him, if you've ever seen him before, or even you're looking at this, so you want to know more about this program, he gives you the opportunity. He gives you all the stuff. He teaches you how to do it for your own products, and he gives you all the stuff you need to be able to build your business and get some real quick wins by promoting his product, which is a proven product. Because there's people like me, there's hundreds of people already in it, and they're already making commissions. As I said, I've made commissions. There's a lot of people who have made commissions from promoting Jonathan Montoya. Now, I do say a little disclaimer there. Everyone's different. Everyone will earn different amounts. Some may not earn. It depends on what you put in and how much effort you take. If you follow the 3-day challenge, or the steps that Jonathan shows you, then I can pretty much say you will be successful. You just got to put in the work to get there. Now, if you don't want to promote his stuff, that's perfect. You don't have to. This is all about starting your own business. This is about starting your online business, and 3 days of a challenge, step-by-step process of how to do that, finding the right products for you. So if you want to promote in the fitness niche, or if you want to promote in the home and the garden niche, or if you want to promote other things, you can. This is just showing you how to get started and how to start making money online. So you don't have to be on his course, but promoting his course, but his course is going to show you how to do it. So there again, and I'll go into here. You go into day 3, step by step, create your thing, and then it comes create your traffic, where you get your traffic from, should I say? And then it comes to get my proven video scripts that made me go viral. This is one of the biggest bonuses. Now, this is worth far more than he's asking for. When you join, he asks for $7 for 3 days of training. Plus, you're going to get all of his viral video scripts that made him go viral on YouTube. Let me show you here. So if I go here, here's a couple of the YouTube documents that he has provided. See, passive income lifestyles. This isn't mine. I've not created any of this, and he's given them to me as a bonus for completing his 3-day challenge. Now, right now, this is what I'm going to be doing in the next couple of weeks, is going through all of these and creating YouTube videos around all of these. And you know what? I know they'll do well because they helped him go viral, and he's given me the scripts. He's given me the resources that I need to talk about. He's given me the software that's in there that he's talked about. And he's also taught me how to do the keywords, how to plan the keywords, how to search for keywords, and how to implement the best keyword strategy to get ranked in YouTube. Again, this isn't just all of them. There's some more in here. So you have YouTube video slides. So he gives you the slides as well, what you need to show. Let's open that up. There you go. All of these slides. So if anything, even if you just go and do this course just so you can get his YouTube slides and get his bonuses about, the slides that he's created and the outlines that he's created, the video outlines, and the training of how to get traffic and how to drive people to your videos, 100% well worth it. Massive learning. And I'm just going to say right now, I did a master's business management that cost me $50,000 to learn how to start a business, how to be successful in business. And yes, it taught me a lot of executive stuff like reading financial statements, HR management, marketing, all of the different processes, supply chain, management, leadership, all of that stuff. They taught me all of that. But never did they teach me how to build an online business. And today, more than anything, online business is more important than anything else, especially with so many people in need of finding their own thing, in need of finding their own income source. Even myself, when COVID hit in 2020, it's 2021 now, I was made redundant. I lost my job, and I had to start looking at an income source for myself. I've been very lucky that I live in New Zealand, where we have things stabilized. But right now, if you're looking for an income source, if you're looking for a way to earn money online and you need to do it quick, and you want to learn from one of the best, this is the course for you. This is what you need to do. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you jump in. If you do jump into it, message me, look at the links below. I'm on TikTok, I'm on Facebook. You'll see me in the Facebook group. Give me a message, let me know you're doing it, and I will even share with you some of the funnels and the products that I'm promoting, and I'll help you along the way, and also, as well as Jonathan, support you in reaching your goals of making an income, a profitable income online. So there it is. Give it a go. Check the links below. I've got a link to his course below in the description, and I've got a link to some of the other things that I do, my TikTok page and my Facebook. So check that all out. Plus, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Let me know you've done those things, and I'll reach out to you with some awesome support if you want it. Anyway, this was Saul Zekland, and this is Jonathan Montoya's course, the 3-day business breakthrough challenge. And hope you like the review. Best of luck.